Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to download SPSS from KSU UITS webpage. So go to Google and type KSU UITS. Click the first link, scroll down and click this software downloads. Sign in if necessary. And scroll down to see this SPSS menu and add it to your cart, which is free. If you had initiated the process but stopped in the middle like I did, then you may see this warning message. Then to view your previous orders for the product, click here. Click view details. Then you see this download menu. Or if it's your first attempt, then you may be able to see the download menu right away. By the way, delete the old versions before you do this new installation process. I'm going to download the program for PC or Windows. And again, it's very important to delete the old program. So if you do add or remove programs, if you type that over here, then you see this menu, then click that to delete the old SPSS. SPSS program, the full name starts with IBM SPSS, so find the IBM SPSS and delete it first and then do this process. So the program was downloaded. I'm gonna start that. If you see this warning message, instead of clicking this don't run, click more info and then click run anyway. Then you may see some windows showing the progress.